I'm Hannah. I'm the owner of Camelot Window Cleaning. We are a locally family-owned and operated company that has been servicing the greater Nashville area for over 10 years.
Hard water window restoration can save you hundreds and even thousands of dollars by fully restoring your glass instead of replacing your windows. Hard water buildup over time can permanently damage your windows. Don't let this happen to your investment. Hard water is the result of minerals left on the glass from rainwater and sprinklers with high limestone, calcium, and magnesium content. Traditional glass cleaners simply cannot remove hardened mineral buildup. Using professional-grade chemicals, we can safely and quickly remove even the toughest hard water stains. Our professional chemicals are designed to sink deep into the pores of the glass and have the concentrated power to break down the limestone, calcium, magnesium, bringing it to the surface of the glass to be wiped away. If you think you have hard water, call us today. Our estimates are always free. Be sure to watch our next video on pricing and estimate process.